In this video I will show you how to add a website to your iPhone home screen. First, open Safari web browser and go to the website you want to add to your home screen. Next, tap on a Share button. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Once the menu appears, scroll through the Share menu and find Add to Home Screen item. Tap on this item. In the window that appears, edit the name of the icon that will appear on your home screen. And tap on Add in the upper right corner. The website will be successfully added to the home screen of your iPhone. Thank you for watching.